How to optimize your Google ad account in exactly 5 minutes. In this video, I set a stopwatch and walk you through how I would optimize a Google account in under exactly 5 minutes. So you definitely want to stay through the entire video. If you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Let's go dive in. Okay, so I've got my stopwatch. Let's hit start and let's start optimizing my account. And you're going to see just how quickly we can do this. I'm going to hit start. Go to my Google ad account, and as you can see here, we've got our chart that shows the clicks versus conversions, and our campaigns are running and generating leads, which is great. If I scroll down real quick here, you'll see I've got a mix of some display campaigns and some search campaigns. So my display campaigns are limited by budget, by their status, but what I can see here is they haven't actually resulted in any leads. So I'm reluctant to increase the budget for these because really, they've spent quite a bit of money already, they've had quite a bit of clicks, and therefore I don't actually think it's worth justifying to increase the budget. What I actually would do in this situation is change the creative and maybe change the landing page to try and improve conversions first before I increase budget. The first thing I can do is have a quick look to see where my ads have been shown, which would be one way I could optimize it. So I'm going to go into this first campaign. I'm going to go into the ad group, insights and reports, where ads showed, and have a quick scan through here. I'm going to rank by impressions, and I'm going to see if the placement, as in where the ads have been shown, are really relevant to the niche and the industry that this particular client is in, and it is. So therefore, might be a situation where the banner's not very good or the landing page isn't very good, and we need to mix that up a bit. Okay, so that's the first thing I'm going to decide to do. The second thing I'm going to look at is in my search campaigns, because they're the ones that are actually generating me results. So if I look at this first campaign here, scroll down here, go into my ad group, and what bid strategy am I doing? I am doing maximize clicks, so I don't need to worry about checking about if my bids are below first page, but I do want to have a look how my search terms are, which is the terms that I actually showed on Google for versus the keywords that I'm bidding on. So once again, I always like to rank by impression first. I'm sorry, I have had to blur this data because it is sensitive to this particular client. But what I'm looking for is, are these search terms relevant to this particular business and what they offer? And so it is, which is good. And I can then scroll across and have a look at what are the terms that have generated me leads, okay? And I can then decide if I want to maybe strip these terms out, put them in a separate campaign, maybe with a maximize conversions bid strategy, or just leave them where it is. Okay, so they're the two things that I really want to be looking for here: possible negative keywords as well as keywords that potentially strip out. So how do you add something as a negative keyword? I'll just grab this one here because it's already been done. Click on this and click add as a negative keyword, and I'm going to add it at the campaign level. Scroll down here and click save. Okay. And then we can literally do exactly the same thing with the other search campaign. So scroll down here and have a look at this one. And let's just do a quick conversions. Where are we? All conversions. I want to see everything that we're tracking. Okay, that looks good. And once again, we just go insights and reports and then search terms. And we can have a look through here and make these same decisions, and also rank by conversions to see where are our leads coming from as well. Okay, so that is the other thing that we want to have a look at. The next thing I want to see is, are all our campaigns getting impressions? And what I can see here is actually, this is a retargeting campaign. This is not getting really very many impressions. So we need to see what our bid strategy is. It's maximize clicks. So actually what I think I might need to do, I might need to change this bid strategy maybe to manual CPC to force myself into the algorithm more. So if I go into this, I go to settings and wait for this to load, and then go to bidding, and I want to change bid strategy. No, I want to back to previous bidding options, and I want to do manual CPC bidding. I want to deselect this, and then I want to click save. But the last step I need to do is I need to make sure that my bid is sufficient, because it will probably it's tough. So there's a bit of a glitch here. Sometimes it does this. And then I need to change my manual CPC bid because it's going to be 1 cent, and let's just make it $1 for easy management. Okay, so really I just would then look through every campaign for my search terms to make sure that they are particularly good and we don't have to add any new negative keywords, and then possibly look to change budget. So there you see, as it took, we optimized our campaign in under 5 minutes, or 5 minutes exactly. That's how easy you can do it in your account. If you want to check out our training courses, maybe check out my website, teachtraffic.com. And if you like this video, don't forget, hit that thumbs icon and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See ya.